to the channel. So let's start with the analysis for tomorrow. Okay, so we'll see some levels and some levels for confirmation and surprise action, and we'll try to find out the levels for tomorrow which we can use for our trading and getting into it to some good decent profit making trades. All right, first of all, how am I looking in this white shirt? Am I looking decent? I'm not a handsome, I know, but yes, I should be looking decent. All right, so let us see. We have NAS 100 in front of us. So for NAS 100, the level of 11875 will act as a resistance for now. We have to see if we are closing for going on a higher side. We need to give a closing at least above this level of the swing level of 11945. All right, this level. If we are reaching this level, then we can see some short cover. Okay, we see some short covering, and up to this level, this zone. All right, to this resistance, this level will act as the resistance now 12054. But yes, if the NAS 100 is weak, then we have to see for this level only from where it has formed a volume accumulation, this level of 11735. All right, and if we are testing the level of 11641, which is to act like a support now. All right, and if we are reaching this, then we can see a sharp falling, and we can come down testing these levels of at least the support level of 11461 on the lower side. All right, so see the price action and see the volume also, and work with the confirmation in a smaller time frame. Use 15-minute time frame at least. Do not go with the lower time frame below the time frame of 15 minutes. All right, okay, let's move on further. Today's video will also be a compiled video. Okay, now next is Dow Jones. See, multiple rejections of the historical trend line areas of information that we are going to get a stop for. All right, so for now, a closing above this level, okay, above the level of 31033 is needed for going higher. Okay, if we want to go higher and need a short cover up, then we need to close above this level. All right, and if again the level of 30654 is broken, then there can be a sharp fall and down till the level of this one. Okay, the sharp level of 30140 can be tested on the lower side. Okay, now see for the level of 30239 and the level of 31033. All right, and work level to level. Let's move further and see EURUSD. Here also for shorting up, this will be the swing level. All right, the level of 1.00610. We will be seeing for this level for taking any shorter trades. All right, if we are getting a rejection from there, then again we'll come down to test the level of this one, 0.99441. Okay, and if we are reaching this level also, then we can come down testing the support levels. Okay, below that we have support level of 0.99165, and between those we have some swing levels also where we can get some bounces. So we'll work with the price action. All right, use the confirmation and then only enter the trades. Okay, now moving further, USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY consolidation is there for now. Okay, on lower side we have 142.559 to form a base and take a bounce back. Okay, and this is a channel also which you can draw if you see in a short in a 1 hour time frame. If you see, then this is the channel also. See, okay, this was a double top formation and a zone formation here, and right now here also we have a zone formation, this level. Okay, so if we have to have any bounce, we have to take it has to get from the level of 142.659. If that is reached, then we can see a sharp fall again testing these levels and the support level of 140.415. All right, let's move further. USD CHF. All right, now for now 0.96687 and 0.96856 should act as resistance. Okay, and we can get a spike of 0.9 from 0.96921, this blue line. All right, if we are getting rejection from them, then we will make a short position, and again we can see it coming down to the level of this level, support level. Okay, 94569 will be our next support level, and between those we'll get some good positional and scalping trades. All right, Alright, remember these yellow trend lines are the strong support and resistance, and for me, the blue lines are the most important trend lines, and these trend lines that I use to determine the historical moves. Okay, these are very important, and these are the main lines. Okay, now AUD USD. See, there's a zone here again. All right, so this is a zone again. 0.67480 should act as a zone here. If that is breached, then we can once again come to test this support, this resistance level of 0.6858538. All right, this one, because it was a short, it was a sharp fall, and it has not tested these zones again. But yes, if we are breaking this level of 0.66812 again, then again there is a support level of 0.66590 which needs to be tested. If when reached, then there will be a sharp fall without any break, and we'll get some good shorting opportunities down to the level of 0.65551. All right, so we are getting some good moves in AUD USD in the coming sessions. Similarly, in NZD USD, see, it's a consolidation. This is a zone. All right, we must watch for the level of 0.600000. Okay, if it is getting rejection from there, then we'll short. And the target will be, sorry, and the target will be 0.59310. And again, if after the consolidation the fall is continued, then again it will be a sharp fall. This level of 0.58574. Okay, and here also, if any accumulation is formed at this zone, okay, then we can see it testing the support, the resistance level of 0.60834, because all these levels have not been tested and retested because of the sharp fall. So we can see a bounce also. So work with the price action and confirmation tactics that we discuss. Okay, now this is USD Canadian dollar getting sharp rejection from here. Now we need to watch to take support at this level of 1.32404. If breached, then again we can see a sharp fall, and we can see some lower zones. There's a zone between the level of 1.31606 and 1.31484, which we need to watch out in the coming sessions. As the DJPY, it was a break of all-time high, and again, but it is below the historical trend line. We need to watch it out, and we need to see a zone formation here at this level, at the level of 86.035. All right. Silver, the same thing. Work with the price action. It is a good formation, expanding channel. Okay, just watch it out. It is a bullish pattern. We can see in the short time coming back from testing the level 20.67200. Else, if we are getting rejection from the level, from this level only, if we are getting a sharp fall again, then we can come down to test this zone. All right, this zone somewhere around 18.5, 18.5 to 18.57. And this is my favorite, gold. All right, in gold, see, it's taken a support from a crucial level. If this level is broken, then there will be a sharp fall again, and we can see gold testing the lower level of 1611, which is 15 point lower from this last swing. All right, Bitcoin very dicey, consolidating. We'll just take the move in 15 to 1 hour, 2 hour time frame. Please do not move in the time frame lower than the 15-minute time frame, because it is very volatile because of the US markets. All right, it follows the trend with the Nasdaq almost all the time. Just see the Nasdaq and then do trade the Bitcoin, because it gives a great emphasis on this chart. All right, Ethereum after the merger. Great. Okay, so what we need to see is the zone low and the support level of 1358. Maybe get a good, maybe get a pullback for some time around 6 to 7 p.m. Indian time. Okay, this is all. We need to watch out this zone. This is the zone. Okay, and this bottom. BNB once again coming to test its historical trend line. Okay, we need to watch this out, and there is a zone over here at the level of 282 till 283, 284. Watch out if it is getting a rejection from that level, then again our targets will be tailed to the levels of 264, 265.4 and lower to 60.7. And again, if this level is broken, then we can see it coming with a short, with a sharp fall like a knife, and we can come down to test this high of the zone, which is 247.7. All right, so BNB's got some moves. Okay, we need to watch it out. Okay, From tomorrow onwards, I'll try to come in the live market stream also, so that we can have some live talk also and live trades and be shared. Okay. This is Matic coming down again to retest the historical trend line at the level of 0.7710. If breached, then there is no support before the level of 0.7040. Do watch out, it can be a good short and trade opportunity in the Matic chart also. Similar formation in the GBP USD also. Okay, just work with the. I've erased the charts for. I've hidden the charts for GBP USD and the GBP AUD from the last 2 3 sessions because I want you to find these levels. Okay, although the higher levels are marked in the GBP AUD. Do you find any rounding bottom? Just mark it and share the chart with me on WhatsApp. Okay, now this is US oil. See, historical trend line, it's trying to take a bounce from there. If it is falling, then it can come down again to test this zone around level of 83.527 to 83.400475. Alright, so this is the analysis for NAS 100, the currency pairs, the commodities, and crypto for tomorrow, which will be seeing the levels and following the technical analysis and our levels so discussed and entering some trades for making good bugs in the shorting and going long in these charts. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, do enroll for the course because you are missing out something, and this is the thing which you need the most for now. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.